So today I am going to be showing you how to make my favorite at-home quarantine comfort food. Definitely during these stressful times, we're all turning to our comfort foods a little bit, so I'm going to show you mine. I know that we're not supposed to be using a lot of ingredients, so this recipe is very easy for people who don't really want to be using their flour or anything because it only requires just a little bit. So this is how to make a microwave personal chocolate chip cookie. Very easy. So these are the ingredients. So first, I'm going to start with the butter, the 2 tablespoons of butter. So I'm going to go melt this really quick. So here is the melted butter, and I'm going to pour that into this bowl so you can be able to see everything that I'm doing. Alright. Should we get all of that out of there? And then with that, I'm going to add the 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, the 1 tablespoon of sugar, quarter of a teaspoon of baking powder, eighth of a teaspoon of salt, and a quarter of a teaspoon of vanilla. And then we're going to stir this mixture all up together, and I'll show you what that looks like. This is what it looks like before everything is all mixed together, and I'm going to start mixing it together now. Alright, so when it's all mixed together, it should look something like this consistency. Once this is all mixed together, now we're going to add in the flour. So this is our 3 tablespoons of flour. And we're going to mix that up. Alright, so once this is all mixed together, this is what it should look like. Alright, now that this is all mixed together, let's add in the chocolate chips. Alright, now we're going to transfer this into a microwave safe bowl. I'm using this little fun bowl that we usually use for chocolate mousse. So we just scoop it up and put it in. Now we're going to microwave this for 1 minute. It's going to be a little hot taking it out, but that's what it looks like. Alright, so now that's all cooked, it's all ready for you to eat, so you can eat it just like this. I do sometimes like to put a little bit of ice cream on it, but seeing as it's 3:30 in the afternoon, I'm not going to. But this is it. This is our microwave chocolate chip cookie, and it tastes delicious. I will admit I did not make up this recipe. I got it online from the website Tasty. But I would recommend it, and it's my favorite quarantine comfort food.